In 2026, job searching is no longer about quantity, it's about strategy. So, first we will discuss about the student and then we will come to the experienced professionals. So, if you are currently a student, then I would say you will, highly depend on the college. So, there will be, college campusing will be there. So, please make use of it because nowadays the job market is not that much good. So if you are getting job from the college and a good company, good package, then take it. You first start your career, then you will get ample amount of opportunity. So first, make use of this college opportunity. And if you did not get from the college, or if you did not get a good placement from the college, then you look for outside, like off campus is also there, right? And also you can participate different kind of hackathon. So these are the parallel things. You just focus on the college campus, and parallelly you can also do this hackathon off campus. Also you can you must be very much visible in the LinkedIn. Okay, reach out to the recruiter. Though if you are a freshers, it's very hard to get through LinkedIn, I mean through referral, because they generally look for certain amount of experience. So that is why I am telling, if you are a fresher, highly depend on the college, and parallelly try to get from off campus or hackathon. Okay, so because college is the place where they will give you the platform to start your career. Now coming to the experienced professional. So those who have already 2 to 3 years of experience, they already know the industry, how it works. For them, the best opportunity or best way is to networking. Okay, so they need to reach out to the people they already worked with them, or any recruiter previously they talked to them. So just reach out to them and send the resume and ask them that I am looking for this kind of role. If there is any opportunity, just help me out with this. Okay, also instead of directly applying to the career portal, go to that company LinkedIn profile and look for the people who are working there and just reach out to them. And you can try cold emailing. Okay, and just reach out to them and ask for a referral. Don't directly beg for that, just start a healthy conversation, and and finally ask for a referral. Post that, you can also try for the naukri portal. That is very much relevant for the Indian context. Okay, update your profile 100%, and daily look into it, apply over the naukri. Even nowadays people are using automation in the naukri. Okay, so that you can do. And finally, last one, that is very irrelevant, or it's very least effective, that is the career portal apply. In some companies, they will ask you to head over to the career portal and apply. You can also do that. So for the experienced professional, as I mentioned, if I summary, network is the main thing, referral and LinkedIn, then Naukri and career portal. Now what you have to do along with that thing, so for the different job role, you must have a different resume. You cannot have a same resume you will be applying. You have a different resume for different job role. And parallelly, you also need to prepare for the interview. Whenever you get a call, you have to be ready for that. Okay, and most important thing is that you need to have a patience. It will take 30 to 90 days of time, because it's not gonna happen over the night, and rejection will be there. Okay, so you need to learn from it, like where am I going wrong, and from that you need to rectify in the next approach. And try to maintain a tracking sheet or Excel sheet, like which all company you are applying and where you are getting rejected, what is the lesson you learned. So all those things. So that is what I think in 2026 you need to do to get a job. Okay, thank you.